Saturday, December 25, 2020. Sorry, not December. January 25. It's been a while since November when I did my last trip. I'm heading now for what is this ridge called? Oh, I have a lapsus at the moment. I'm following some trucks. There are 3 other cars parked here, so we are 4 now. Not sure how many people, but it's Spray Lakes Road. I'm following pretty much Bob Spirko's trip report. He parked here as well because Andrew Nugara's from his snowshoeing book, I believe he parked further west from here. So in any case, yeah, Smith. It's called Smith something Ridge. Here I am on what seems a plateau on Blacksmith Ridge. I just put my phone away. Yeah, I don't know, it looks like there is always a continuation, but obviously this can be considered a summit here for this snowshoeing trip. The rest is just mountaineering, and it's probably avid terrain anyway. One of these is Mount Smith Dorian. And a very clear view. I will zoom on Mount Warspite. I got a playlist, a very beautiful trip. I had summited with Tom. It was a smoky day, but we were lucky. The area from that summit was quite clear, had clear views. The ascent is done by via that diagonal kind of gully there. I even had one time, one winter, an attempt. I didn't even reach that col, but finally I made it, like I said, with Tom. Mount Black Prince should be next one to the right. Yeah, that one has to be Black Prince. Doesn't come out very clear in my view. Oh, now, yeah. I'll continue 360. So my route was kind of. Well, you see those trucks? Oh. Continues, intersects eventually that next ridge, and behind, zigzagging towards the highway, Lakes Road visible. Kent Ridge. Yeah, I didn't intersect any people. There were both skis and snowshoes trucks going separately. I assume they were skiers. There were those 3 cars at the parking lot. I didn't see them because at one point the snowshoeing trucks were departing. You went apart from the ski trucks. So I imagine that's where I lost them. Else I would have seen them on a descent. Mount Cheng and Mount Murray, the higher one on the left. Got playlist, and I should finish up the loop. There are some ski tracks on a valley over there. The last quick panorama 360 from Blacksmith Ridge. The name comes from 2 mountains, as it's very typical to name a ridge after 2 nearby or adjacent mountains. In this case, Black Prince and Smith Dorian, so it's a Blacksmith Ridge. I even saw Pi Martin, I believe it was, on the way up in a forest, but he went behind a tree, and I thought he was waiting there to climb the tree or something. By the time I got my camera, he went down the other way, was gone. My worst fight. I don't know if I can zoom on that mountain. I should. Well, thanks for watching, guys, from Blacksmith Ridge Summit, signing out. and heading down. Cheers.